everyone and welcome to my channel. So after a really long time, finally the coffee shops and restaurants are open and I'm feeling really good, and I'm having my coffee. I can show you. This is my coffee. So in this video I'll tell a little bit about myself, and I'm so glad that I could not make this video in the morning because my earphones were dead, the battery was dead, and I could not make that usual video, usual car video. So I'm glad, and so one thing that I like the most, and that is coffee, which is why I'm here in coffee shop. I like having coffee outside. I just love going to coffee shop and having a cup of black coffee. So this is one thing about me, and second thing is why I make YouTube videos. I make YouTube videos because I've always been a creative person. I like to create stuff, and I've written a lot of poetry and I've written a lot of quotations. I've written 2 books as well. So it is like something is imprinted on my soul to create things, and I like to sketch as well. So also I like to sing at times. I haven't sung for a very long time. Maybe I should start now. So one thing is that I like believing in something and creating that stuff. And the best part about creating something is that when you're actually doing it, you're immersing yourself completely into it. I like that thing because my job is really boring. I don't like my job that much, like many of other people. And so when I'm making these videos, suppose for 8 to 10 minutes, I'm completely devoted to it, and I'm not thinking about my office. I'm not thinking about things to do, and all of the problems of the past and the future disappear, and it gives me an opportunity to come to this present moment. Because I think that most of the time we are either living in the past or living in the future. We are just worrying about our future. But when we do something that gives us a sense of identity, a sense of satisfaction, we are completely devoting ourselves into it, and it gives us a meaning, a sense of purpose. Also, I think that ever since the lockdown started, many people, a lot of people have been getting into this spiritual stuff. I think that our planet as a whole is having a transformation in which we are giving more and more focus to things like what is the meaning of life, what is the purpose of life. We are finding these questions, and I'm one of them. Although I was always in the spiritual stuff, back I was in college, I used to read some of my father's books, and now that I think about it, I did not completely understand what it was all about. But now when I'm going through all of that stuff again, it is making so much of sense. For example, Dr. Wayne Dyer, I read his book The Power of Intention. It was about a decade back, and now it makes so much sense to me. Now I understand so much better what is written in that book, what the author is trying to tell me, and I'm so grateful that I've been given this opportunity to go through these things and to find what is the meaning of life and how we can transform our life by devoting our life to a purpose, to a mission. Also, when I was a small kid, I was given a label of being a shy one, being a shy kid, because I did not used to talk that much or communicate or interact with other people, other kids of my age. I was given this label, and I don't know whether I was that or whether I was not that, but now that I've grown up, I think I don't want to carry on to that label anymore. I don't want that tag on me, that I cannot speak to people, that I cannot interact with other people. I don't want that, which is why I was so excited to make these videos. I wanted to tell the world that I'm not that kid anymore, and I can speak, and I can speak in front of camera, which is way more weird than speaking to people, because right now I'm sitting in this coffee shop alone and making these videos. So I want to just give up this fear I don't want to carry on to that tag anymore because I have transformed myself, I've changed myself. I'm trying to become who I want to become, not what other people want me to become, what other people think that I am. So this is all about just transforming yourself, and you can only do that by doing the things that you are afraid to do, and doing the things that other people have told that you cannot do. So I just want to start. I've just started small with this by making these YouTube videos.